Hello everyone, I'm Fannyah and I'm one of the students who benefit help from Corneil Association. I'm now in my 5th year at the Higher School of Economical Sciences and I've got my advanced 1 and advanced 2 certificates from English teaching program. I would like to share what the association has brought me. First of all, the association allowed me to pay 2/3 of the fees to learn English language. Indeed, I was able to learn English in an American institution thanks to the association. But also, the association fixed my issues with my schedules. I could only take time for learning English at 6 p.m. So I needed a transportation. So the association brought me back home by taxi. Furthermore, the association gives us material aids. As far as I'm concerned, I got a book from outside which is related to my studies here. In addition to all of that, by integrating the association, I used live lessons and advices that were given to me during the various meetings and activities with the members of the association. But also through social media, Mr. Asen continues helping us by sharing videos full of lessons and live lessons. So I would like to thank Mr. Asen for all his various counsels. This really contributed to my personal development. But I also address my heartfelt thanks to the Chronic Association for the financial and material aids that really contributed to the smooth running of my studies. I intend to enhance rural life here in Madagascar. That's why in the field of economic management, and I'm sure with all the support and my efforts, I will get it. So I would like to thank Mr. Asen, Chronic Association, and I would like to thank my family too for all his support.